Guys, we're back for a brew day on the pulled out the other system today. So you would have seen the previous bit of footage. I was doing a recirculating mash, so that's finished. So that was for 60 minutes, and now I've just pulled out the malt pipe just to let the liquid drain out of there, and I've just switched the boiler over to bring it up to the boil. So today I'm doing a clone of a craft beer from Australia, from Stone and Wood, called Pacific Pale Ale. Pretty simple recipe. It's a 60-40 split of I'm using American ale malt from Gladfield paired with 40% wheat malt. A lot of people use Pilsner malt instead of the ale malt, but the American ale malt I'm using is very clean malt, so I've decided to go with that. And the main ingredient, apart from the malts, is Galaxy hops, so it's going to be hopped all the way through with those. And I'd just like to do a big shout out to Tim from Huntsman Brewing, because Tim bought these back for me from Australia, because you can't get them here in New Zealand at the moment. So thank you, Tim, appreciate that. So yeah, we'll carry on with the draining off the malt pipe here, and we'll bring the boiler up to the boil, and we will be back. Cheers, guys. Okay, so we've started the 60-minute boil. While that's happening, I'm just cleaning out the pump. So I've just got a mixture of what is it, sodium bicarbonate just in there, just running that through the lines. Clean that out. Always good to sort of try and do the clean up along the way rather than leaving it for the end. So yeah, we'll come back for the first hop drop. Cheers, guys. Okay, so we've reached the end of the 60-minute boil, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in half of the Galaxy, so 50 grams. Just plonk it in there, and I'm going to do a 20-minute whirlpool starting from 100 degrees just so I can get my bitterness and also get all that nice Galaxy hop flavour coming through. So we'll do that, and then we'll probably come back when I'm doing the transfer into the fermenter, and we'll take a hydro sample. Cheers, guys. So we're just cooling the wort down at the moment. So what are we down to now? 60 degrees. So I ended up doing a two-stage hop stand. So I started at 100 degrees like I said before, but I only left it at that temperature for 7 minutes. The power was off, it would have dropped slightly, but it still would have been close to that 100 degrees. So after about 7 minutes, I calculated I was already going to be getting about 30 IBUs from the Galaxy. So I decided to then drop the temperature down to 80 degrees and then just complete the hop stand for the full 20 minutes. So yeah, 7 at 100 and 13 minutes at 80 degrees. So yeah, that's all finished. So yeah, we'll carry on with the chilling down here, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've finished the transfer. Nice bit of foam on the top there, and there is the hydro sample. So we'll finish cleaning up, and we'll do a very quick taste test on the sample. Okay guys, just a quick wrap up of the brew day. Happy Easter Friday, by the way. I hope you've got plenty of beer and Easter eggs in store at home. So yeah, there's the sample there. So it's been sitting for a while. You can see it's cleared up nicely. All the rubbish has dropped to the bottom. So beautiful sort of golden straw colour. So brew day went well. I was aiming for 1044 and it came out 1044. So it should get around a 4.3 to 4.5 beer. So it's just in the shed over the back, just starting fermenting. So we'll have a little bit of a taste. It was a good level of bitterness there, so I was targeting around 25 IBUs, but I think it might be a little bit higher, maybe around the 30 mark, but don't think it's any more than that. And that's really the main reason I have a taste of the hydro sample. Is obviously it's not going to give you an idea of the finished beer, but it will give you a good idea of the bitterness level that you're going to get through. Like if it's too bitter now, that's probably not a good sign, but I'm pretty happy with that bitterness level. Can't pick up any of the hops, to be honest, at this stage. You never can really. So yeah, that's it there. Thanks for watching the brew day, guys. Stay safe and well over Easter, and maybe I'll be doing some more videos along the way, so catch you later. Thanks for watching. Over and out.